Well, she's broke again. You ever ran over a pothole and just had it completely just screw up your car? That's exactly what just happened to the Audi. Big old pothole, thought I missed it. I was trying to go around some other potholes and hit this one that didn't look that deep. Looked really shallow, turns out, no, it was terrible. So not only did it mess up my suspension, it popped the bumper out here and broke up like my fender lining and stuff, and yeah, it's been fun. So it destroyed a lot of my suspension, but I think I've figured out pretty much what's wrong with the car. And so today we're installing new sway bar end links. Now I know I needed to do this for a little bit, but it wasn't too bad, and then that pothole just kind of destroyed everything. So we've got brand new end links here. And hopefully that's all it's needed. If you guys want to hear what it sounds like when I'm driving, here's this clip here. From what I've researched online, on YouTube and the forums and stuff, everyone's been saying it's sway bar end links. I jacked the car up the other day and kind of like was messing with the suspension. Wheels don't move, axle's not bad, it's not a CV joint. It's either this, steering rack, or there's like a bolt for the subframe apparently that can come out. But we're gonna start with the easiest option and do sway bar end links. So I'm gonna let the car cool down a little bit, and then we're gonna jack it up, and hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is all we need to do. Okay, so I jumped a little ahead of the camera here and wanted to kind of get a jump on everything. So this is the old one that's out, and as you can see, these are really bad. These are busted. Both of these move pretty bad. It's not supposed to be able to move like that. There's the new ones here. Don't move at all. I'm actually putting like force on these. These don't move at all. That's how they're supposed to be. Not this. Not whatever this nonsense is. So this'll help a lot. This will fix a lot. Hey guys, so my camera died mid filming of doing the sway bar end link on this side. I took it out, tested it. This one's actually fine, but again, the camera died, and it's just those two bolts. Pretty simple. Mine are like rusted and greased on there. It was a pain in the booty, but I still didn't solve what I think is the main problem. But we'll take it out and see if we hear anything this time around, and if we don't, then I know I fixed it. If there's two different noises, one was kind of a popping sometimes, so we'll see if that's still there, and I hope not, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so back on the iPhone because my camera died, but initial feels a lot better, and I'm not hearing any noises, like, because it was like going clunk, 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 clunk over each little bump and everything. So looks like the end link did it for the most part. Again, feels really good. Yeah, not hearing anything. I turned my steering wheel when the car was jacked up. There's a clunk noise. So I don't know what that is. I mean, my thoughts are either tie rod end or steering rack, because I was told at one point my steering rack was going bad, but the guy didn't really seem to know what he was talking about, but it's been a thought in the back of my head. So if anybody knows what that like main pop sound is, and it'll do it like very slow turns, like reversing. Some people said it's the subframe. I checked the subframe and everything seemed tight, but I don't know. We'll continue to figure that out. But for the most part, all the sounds are gone, and it feels way better, handles way better, and it has a lot less noise. So that was definitely one major problem. So I know this video is kind of short and it was kind of crappy filming, but I did this at nighttime and I worked during the day, so it was kind of rough, kind of brutal. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any helpful helpful hints of what it might have been or what the issue is, please comment below, let me know. And if there's anything else you guys wish I would have done in the video, please let me know so I can get better at these. But thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Trying to grow that a lot this year, and the more subscribers and the more likes I have, the more I get to do this and the better everything gets. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.